Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Amherstburg local and long distance movers near me. When it's time to hire a cheap Amherstburg moving company, you need 3 movers. We know how to make any type of local or long distance move easier. Our team of professional movers has helped plenty of people move furniture, business equipment, household goods, and much more. Let us make your next move simple. Get the right long-distance moving services from us and make your move super easy with options such as packing services, moving supplies, and upfront pricing. Get the best long-distance moving services with us. Whether you're moving 100 miles away or 2,500 miles away, we make it much easier for you. Our team will ensure you get the right options to make your move simple. The right Canada Moving Company will make your local move simple. You won't have to worry about doing all the heavy lifting or hard work. With good local movers, you will save time and energy on any type of move. 3 Movers makes it much easier for you to move locally. We streamline the entire process to make your move convenient and fast. A move that might take you all week, we can do in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Amherstburg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.